College pun fibro kajim tip nam ta Jingmareh tegane kandan ke Jingmareh apo Ribhoi district dengan puli kat kum kane car priceman Fit India Swachhta Freedom Run 5.0 Office of the DSO Ribhoi district in collaboration with district administration Ribhoi district kane kane po Ribhoi ma invite one and all to participate in the freedom run kin waja baro katarik kade khandai 3 Oktober arjar sa kapor kade inriu shiteng desa kenmau bahag bakwa banen tekla dapai ru karut kane karut da kisdang napo research ngi orchid resort umyam starting point dan latmroy overbridge aikar water point finishing point gede po Meghalaya State Fisheries Research and Training Institute maupun Kshan kategori ganong open men and women above 14 years kadistan kadisan kilometer price long first price 1,000 second price 1,000 third price 1,000 but namta ki older participant 50 years above kanong 6,000 marway 1,000 each participant can register themselves with kibal kwa manek kila register yalde po DSO Ribhoi district from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Pohoi Rumbong CNRD block office on the 16-17 October 2024 lane filaban phone gili nomor ada IR liki phone number filaban kelihi banikong khnai pra andrew lai not way khandai andrew lai khandai baar khandai lai andrew prasa way sau new sau important instruction last date for registration kan day khat pra October arjar sau oldest participant should produce original epic card during registration and on a day of the run. Reporting time for runners on the 19th October 2024 at starting point 6 a.m. District Sports Officer Ribhoi District Nongpo. Tegi wakwa jing tip kamane kan mau ban phone hi dalade kini ki atli contact number sakali namta ban registration bat namta gidron kam hiwa pikwa ban kali. Tangi ne jing tip please bun.